In the heart of Asia, nestled between towering volcanoes and the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean, lies Japan, a country often considered one of the most exotic and captivating destinations on Earth. This island nation is a harmonious blend of ancient traditions and cutting-edge modernity, where the old and the new coexist in a dance that is as fascinating as it is complex. Japan is a land of contrasts, where the serene beauty of cherry blossoms in spring is juxtaposed with the neon lights of bustling cityscapes. It is a place where tradition and innovation walk hand in hand, creating a unique cultural tapestry that is unparalleled anywhere else in the world. The country's rich history is evident in its ancient temples, castles, and gardens, which stand as testaments to its storied past. Simultaneously, Japan is at the forefront of technological advancement, with futuristic robots, high-speed trains, and innovative gadgets that push the boundaries of what is possible. One of the most striking aspects of Japan is its unique customs and traditions, which have been preserved and passed down through generations. From the elegant art of the tea ceremony to the rigorous training of geishas, these traditions offer a glimpse into the soul of Japan. The country is also home to a plethora of festivals known as matsuri, which celebrate various aspects of Japanese culture, from the changing of the seasons to historical events and religious ceremonies. These festivals are vibrant, colorful affairs that showcase the best of Japanese hospitality, cuisine, and entertainment. Japan's natural beauty is another major draw for visitors. The country is home to a diverse range of landscapes, from the snow-capped peaks of the Japanese Alps to the subtropical beaches of Okinawa. In between, there are lush forests, tranquil lakes, and scenic coastlines, each offering its own unique charm. One of the most iconic natural landmarks in Japan is Mount Fuji, an active volcano that is also the highest peak in the country. Its symmetrical cone is a symbol of Japan and has inspired artists and poets for centuries. Despite its natural beauty and cultural richness, Japan is also a country that faces significant challenges. It is located in one of the most seismically active regions in the world, making it prone to earthquakes, tsunamis, and volcanic eruptions. The country has had to develop advanced engineering and disaster preparedness measures to cope with these natural threats. Additionally, Japan is grappling with demographic challenges, including an aging population and a low birth rate, which pose significant economic and social hurdles. Another fascinating aspect of Japan is its cuisine, which is renowned worldwide for its diversity, quality, and unique flavors. From sushi and sashimi to ramen and tempura, Japanese food is a delight for the senses. The country is also home to some of the world's most unique and sometimes controversial dining experiences, such as restaurants where sushi is served on the bodies of unclothed models, known as nyotaimori. These establishments cater to a niche market and are just one example of the many quirky and unusual attractions that can be found in Japan. For those interested in history, Japan offers a wealth of opportunities to explore its rich past. The country is home to numerous UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including ancient temples, shrines, and castles that date back centuries. One of the most famous is the historic city of Kyoto, which served as the imperial capital of Japan for over 1,000 years. Kyoto is home to countless cultural treasures, including the iconic Kinkakuji Temple, also known as the Golden Pavilion, and the serene bamboo groves of Arashiyama. In contrast to its historic sites, Japan is also a global leader in technology and innovation. The country is home to some of the world's most advanced robotics labs, where researchers are developing cutting-edge technologies that have the potential to revolutionize industries ranging from healthcare to manufacturing. Japan is also at the forefront of the automotive industry, with companies like Toyota and Honda leading the way in hybrid and electric vehicle technology. One of the most iconic symbols of Japan's technological prowess is its high-speed rail network, known as the Shinkansen or bullet train. These trains are renowned for their speed, efficiency, and punctuality, connecting major cities across the country in a matter of hours. The Shinkansen is not only a marvel of engineering, but also a testament to Japan's commitment to innovation and excellence. The country is continually investing in new technologies to improve its infrastructure and maintain its position as a global leader in transportation. In addition to its technological advancements, Japan is also known for its unique and sometimes quirky pop culture. From the colorful world of anime and manga to the eccentric fashion trends of Harajuku, Japanese pop culture has captivated audiences around the world. The country is home to a thriving entertainment industry, with popular music acts, films, and television shows that have gained international acclaim. Japan is also a country that places a high value on education and personal development. The Japanese education system is renowned for its rigorous standards and emphasis on discipline, respect, and hard work. Students in Japan consistently rank among the top performers in international academic assessments, reflecting the country's commitment to educational excellence. Despite its many strengths, Japan is not without its challenges. The country has struggled with economic stagnation in recent decades, and its aging population and low birth rate pose significant demographic hurdles. Additionally, Japan faces geopolitical tensions with some of its neighbors, particularly over territorial disputes and historical grievances. In conclusion, Japan is a country of contrasts, where ancient traditions coexist with modern innovations, and natural beauty is juxtaposed with urban sprawl. It is a land of unique customs, rich history, and cutting-edge technology, offering visitors a wealth of experiences that are both fascinating and unforgettable. Whether you are interested in exploring its cultural heritage, marveling at its natural wonders, or immersing yourself in its vibrant pop culture, Japan has something to offer everyone. The country's commitment to preserving its cultural heritage while embracing modernity is evident in its approach to tourism. Visitors can explore ancient temples and shrines, participate in traditional tea ceremonies, and stroll through serene gardens, all while enjoying the conveniences of modern life. Japan's dedication to hospitality, known as omotenashi, ensures that visitors feel welcomed and valued, making their experience in the country truly memorable. Japan's natural wonders are also a significant draw for tourists. From the tranquil beauty of Mount Fuji to the lush forests of Hokkaido, the country offers a diverse range of landscapes that are perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you enjoy hiking, skiing, or simply taking in the scenery, Japan's natural beauty is sure to leave a lasting impression. The country's cuisine is another major attraction, with a wide variety of dishes that cater to every taste. From fresh sushi and sashimi to hearty ramen and tempura, Japanese food is renowned for its quality and unique flavors. Visitors can also explore the country's many regional specialties, such as Hiroshima-style okonomiyaki or Hokkaido's famous seafood. Japan's pop culture is also a significant draw for visitors, with a wide range of attractions that cater to every interest. From the colorful world of anime and manga to the eccentric fashion trends of Harajuku, Japanese pop culture has captivated audiences around the world. Visitors can explore theme parks, museums, and shopping districts dedicated to their favorite pop culture icons, making their trip to Japan truly unforgettable. In addition to its many attractions, Japan is also known for its unique customs and traditions. Visitors can participate in traditional tea ceremonies, learn the art of calligraphy, or even try their hand at sumo wrestling. These experiences offer a glimpse into the rich cultural heritage of Japan and provide visitors with a deeper understanding of the country's history and values. Despite its many strengths, Japan is not without its challenges. The country has struggled with economic stagnation in recent decades, and its aging population and low birth rate pose significant demographic hurdles. Additionally, Japan faces geopolitical tensions with some of its neighbors, particularly over territorial disputes and historical grievances. However, Japan's commitment to innovation and excellence has allowed it to overcome many of these challenges. The country is continually investing in new technologies and infrastructure, ensuring that it remains at the forefront of global innovation. Japan's dedication to education and personal development also ensures that its citizens are well-equipped to face the challenges of the future. In conclusion, Japan is a country of contrasts, where ancient traditions coexist with modern innovations, and natural beauty is juxtaposed with urban sprawl. It is a land of unique customs, rich history, and cutting-edge technology, offering visitors a wealth of experiences that are both fascinating and unforgettable. Whether you are interested in exploring its cultural heritage, marveling at its natural wonders, or immersing yourself in its vibrant pop culture, Japan has something to offer everyone. Its commitment to preserving its cultural heritage while embracing modernity ensures that visitors have a truly memorable experience, making Japan a must-visit destination for travelers from around the world.